Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am here to plan for the week of June 1st in my Hobonichi Weeks planner. I am using a kit by Plan for Happy called Wildflower. I don't think this kit is actually in the store anymore, although I will link the store down below regardless. I bought this kit at least a year ago, and I have noticed that some of them aren't in the store anymore, which is too bad because they're so flippin' cute. In any case, let's get started. Full disclosure, as I film this, I am listening with sort of half an ear to the audio. Let me just throw these things around. The audio from the NASA feed, because they are launching the Dragon SpaceX capsule with astronauts today. And it is, if you're not familiar, it is the first time that a commercialized space travel, like space vehicle, is taking humans into space, and also the first time in almost 9 years that the US is launching astronauts from US soil. And if you are thinking that it is kind of funny that I know this or that I'm not interested in watching it, my dad worked in aerospace his whole life, and so it's something that most of his adult life, and it is, so it's obviously something that holds a lot of interest. And also any talk about launches and this kind of stuff brings back so many memories of him. He loved what he did. So yeah, it's a neat time. So I do enjoy watching these things. What do we use for numbers? For some reason I thought her kits came with them, but apparently not. Okay, I think I'll just write them in. So let me do that now. Where's my... I'm using Micron PN for this. So June 1st, 2nd, 2nd, 3rd. Yeah, just lots of memories. He loved what he did. He actually was in charge of the team that built the Canadarm, so the space arm that he built the first one. So the second one is now in operation at the space station, which is it's just really cool to know that he was a part of that. So yeah. All right. I don't have a hugely busy week in terms of like actual things to do, if you will. Just hit my my light as usual. I want to mark, I'm just looking for something I can mark my videos with. Maybe I'll use these ones for videos. So will they fit in here? Let's see. Yeah, close enough, I think. So we have this one going up on Monday. And then we have my Erin Condren Rewind on Wednesday. And on Friday we have my daughter's Memory Keeper. Okay, so put those there. The light may get a bit wonky in here because the sun just popped around this side of the house. So hang on, let me see if I can fix it. Okay, so that probably just got a little bit darker, but hopefully it's okay. All right, so we've got our videos. Monday is a payday for me. So let's mark that with this red flag here. Oh, I did have a comment. I saw a comment the other day about where these tweezers come from. They actually, you can't even see them, these ones. They actually come from my store, but they are out of stock right now. I'm waiting for new ones to come back in, and they should be coming in the next couple weeks. The crazy part is that I actually need to replace my own because the other day I tried to use them for something. I'm trying to remember what it even was now. I can't even think of what it was I was using them for, but I bent them, or like very, I mean, not bent is the wrong word. I sort of, well, I don't know. I made it so that, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. I made it, focus, okay. So when you clamp them together, that's fine. But then you press a little harder. So if you're like really clamping something, can you see there's like an actual separation between them now? So you can't actually get a good grip on anything. And I did that, what the heck was I doing? Oh, I was trying to crack open a bottle of lotion because I knew that it was almost out and I wanted to use like every last drop of it. And it did not go so well, and I skewed these. So I am very much looking forward to getting my new shipment in, and then they'll be up in the store for order. And they are personalizable? Yeah, that's the word. I'm just looking for some kind of, put this down for a post office run, so I'm just looking for some kind of package, but I don't know if there actually is one on here. There is a tiny little box here, so let's put that one down. Okay, is that there? Okay, Tuesday is $2 Tuesday, and I was almost certain there was a sticker for that, and now I don't see it. So it's possible that I'm just insane. I am going to mark down $2 Tuesday because I have been partaking recently. So let's use this one. I'll put that there, and then I think I'm going to grab one of these. Remember? Like maybe this one. The priority. Okay, we'll put that there. And then in the evening, I have house church. If I'm able to attend, which I'm hoping that I will be. So we'll put that there. I don't think there's like a church anything, but I could put a bow. Maybe this red one. Or maybe the, yeah, red's fine. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna use this little weekend banner and put it here. I just think this is so flipping cute. And then let's see here. If you can hear the barking, if you can hear the snoring, that is Tinkerbell, our Frenchie. Oh, I wanted to mention too about the comments on my videos. So first of all, thank you to everyone who has left one recently. You don't know how much I love the comments. There is something wrong with my notifications, and I don't know what it is, but but I don't get the notifications that people have commented, and I'm not sure, not 100% sure why. So, and I think because my channel's still relatively small, like I don't tend to think that there are going to be what the other dog is dreaming now. Well, one snoring and one dreaming. I don't assume that there are going to be comments. So I don't always check them right away. And then I check and I discover that I actually have a whole bunch. So I am so sorry if you have left a comment and I haven't responded to it. That is something that I am working on this weekend to get caught up on. So those will come in soon. And I will just be better from now on at checking them. All right, I'm gonna put this down here for my meals and my meal plan. I don't think that there's like a meals. Cute little crock pot. Okay, I'm just gonna put, so this is here for filming. This one I'm gonna put here for laundry. Front and center to remind me to do it. Put that there. I feel like I should put a priority here. I'm gonna add that because it is. Priority, do your damn laundry. Okay, I definitely want to put a habit tracker. I think I'm gonna use this red one. I'm gonna put this here. Oh, I think it'll fit almost perfectly next to it. Okay. And then my husband has Saturday off next week, which he doesn't normally, so I am going to mark that just so I remember. And then I think I'm going to add, we have a bill due on the 1st. I'm going to stick that there to remind myself. A little bit crooked, but I think it'll be okay. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna make, I feel like there is something in here that I just don't have, but I don't know what it would be. Like, there isn't really anything that it could be. So I'm gonna make some to-do lists. And I think I'm gonna make them, I'm gonna just put them here. Oops. Hopefully straight if I can manage it. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna color coordinate them a tiny bit. So I'm just gonna do what do I have here? Okay, so let's do red here. So I'll just have 6 spots for various things that I want to have separate to-do lists for, and then I'll do one more. I'll just do one green because I think that's all that's gonna fit. There we go. So that can be, whoops, a smaller category. We'll make that one the housework one. Okay, those are a little crooked, but it's all right. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna put, so let's put a little red laptop here. And we'll put the little green one. I love how many little stickers this one these kits come with. Just put that one there. And then we have, what kind of cleaning ones do we have? This. Use this one. I'll just put that there. Okay. Oh, there's this. Okay, let me see if I can get this up. See the little envelopes, sort of Happy Mail-ish. No, actually, probably just stick that right on top. So I'm just going to take these little pink envelopes and stick them right over there. And then I know there is a Happy Mail thing here. No, it's going to take up too much right now. I got to write post office in there. Okay, let's just do this little to-do right there. This is probably one I could have done horizontally too. I love that in these kits, even the like so-called deco, like full deco boxes are still functional. I love that. Okay, I think this is going to be it. I'm certain there is something else happening here, but I don't remember what it was. And it might have just been that my husband, I was going to say my father, my husband was supposed to leave this day for a fishing trip that isn't happening because of COVID. So I'm going to go in with the pen and I will be right back. All right, there we go. I don't know what we're having for dinner next week at all. So I have to fill that in after once I figure it out. Fill my to-dos in once I sort out my to-do list for the week. But other than that, the spread is complete. So shop link for Plan for Happy will be down below. The kit I think is called Wildflowers. Again, not sure that it's still available, but maybe I'll get lucky. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I just launched new July budget kits on the weekend. I will see you all soon. Bye, friends.